well, here we are in the backcountry of New Zealand. What I've got on my back is some very simple stuff. So we ask you to come prepared with a bag on any New Zealand mountain biking trip, because inside this bag you can put some handy things, not just for your water. So in here, first and foremost, I do this for a living, so mine might be a little bit more comprehensive than yours. I've got a tool pouch, and in here I've got Allen keys, puncture repair kit, just in case my spare tube has any problems or you get more than one puncture. I've got a spoke tool, the pump, I've got some tyre levers as well. Always pays to have good tyre levers because you don't want to be stuck with ones that break on you. I've got a shock pump, gear cable, some snacks. Got this GPS. Again, it's one of my guiding things. You don't have to bring that along with you. I have a multi-tool, very handy. Usually use this for cutting tomatoes or cheese and crackers. Some tape. What else have I got in here? So then we've got the main pocket where I've just got a rain jacket. I've got my first aid kit, pretty simple. Spare layer, spare gloves. Nice buff for whatever I need it for, cleaning my chain, wiping sweat, keep my neck warm, and I've got a SAM splint, which is pretty good if emergency requires it. And that's all in my little 12-litre pack. So yeah, everyone's different. That's what I carry with me. So if you want to find out more, go to our website. We've got a whole bunch of these little videos that'll help you pack for your trips. NewZealandMountainBiking.com, also our YouTube channel, just New Zealand Mountain Biking. Check it out.